Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Intel NUC 13 Pro Mini PC. So friend, Intel announced its latest line of mini PCs, the NUC 13 Pro system featuring the newest 13th generation core processor which can have up to 14 cores, and some of the model also comes with Intel vPro Enterprise which provides comprehensive security, enterprise grade stability and hardware based remote management. And these mini PCs are upgradable and repairable, making them a reusable and stable solution for a range of business needs and including edge, client and digital signage computing. And friend, it is equipped with the all features and connectivity that business require, including support for up to 64 GB dual channel DDR4 3200 memory, M.2 slots for PCIe X4 Generation 4 NVMe SSD and second SSD, and Intel i26 Ethernet for speed up to 2.5 Gbps, Intel Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, and it also has 2 HDMI ports and 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports that can support 4 displays at 4K at 60 Hz, 3 USB 3.2 ports and 1 USB 2.0 port. And this series comes in different versions, each equipped with either Core i3, i5 or i7 CPUs. And the top model, which is powered by the Core i7 1370p processor, has 6 P cores and 8 E cores, providing a total of 14 cores and 20 threads. All CPUs have a TDP of 35 watt except for the Core i3 model which have a TDP of 20 watt. And this device also comes with incredible Iris Xe or UHD Graphics GPU with vPro variants available for business use. And friend, they feature an M.2 2280 slot for PCIe 4.0 interface for an SSD as well as 4 USB Type A ports. And friend, the device comes with 2 HDMI ports and 2 Thunderbolt 4 port which can support for up to 4K screen at 60 Hz. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.